What if one train journey could take you across an entire continent without changing tracks? The Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest continuous railway line in the world, stretching an incredible 9,289 kilometers across Russia. It connects Moscow to Vladivostok, crossing 8 time zones, hundreds of cities, and breathtaking forests, mountains, and lakes. If you rode it from start to finish without stopping, the journey would take about 7 days. Now that's what you call the ultimate train ride.